I'm going to show you how to do the increase in the Cosy Home Hot Water bottle. So you do a make one combined with a knit front and back so that we create 2 stitches in the one spot. That way we don't ruin the stitch pattern that you've got going on. It's really easy. So you're going to knit where you want to do your increase, and then you're going to make one by picking up this thread that runs between your needles. With your left hand needle, you're going to pick it up from back to front. So that's the make one part, and then you're going to knit into the front and back of this. It's a little bit tight when you knit into the front. And then you're going to knit into the back. And then you're going to push that loop off your left hand needle, and that is your 2 stitches increase. So if you knit to where you want to do the next one, just pick up this thread, then knit into the front and back of it. That's your increase done.